Hey Shopify sellers! Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel. Managing a Shopify store can be overwhelming, especially if you're handling orders manually. But with the DSers-AliExpress Dropshipping app, you can automate the entire process. Let's break down 6 reasons why automating your dropshipping is a smart move. Reason 1. Save time with bulk orders. With DSers, you can fulfill hundreds of AliExpress orders at the same time. A single click to process bulk orders saves hours of manual work, freeing up more time for business growth. Reason 2. Minimize human error. Manually inputting orders can lead to mistakes. With DSers, the process is automated, reducing the chances of errors like wrong shipping details or incorrect items. Reason 3. Faster shipping with supplier optimization. DSers allows you to choose suppliers with faster shipping times and better reviews. This ensures quicker deliveries and happier customers. Reason 4. Track orders in real time. No more endless back and forth with suppliers. With DSers, you can track all your orders directly from the app, receiving real-time updates on shipping status and delivery progress, keeping both you and your customers informed. Reason 5. Scale your business with ease. As your store grows, so do your orders. DSers handles increasing order volumes without breaking a sweat, making it easier to scale your business. Reason 6. Manage product variations efficiently. With DSers, handling different variations of a product, like sizes and colors, becomes streamlined. This simplifies managing diverse inventory without the hassle of manual updates. Ready to get started? Head over to Taranker.com, try DSers now, and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Happy selling!